How to change Facebook page name. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can change your Facebook page name. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch in this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook app, then tap on this profile picture or three lines at the upper right side, and then here you will get a down arrow icon, so you have to tap on here, and then here you will get your all Facebook pages. Now select the Facebook page you want to change the name, and after that tap on this profile picture at the upper right side, and now scroll down a little bit, and here you will get settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings, and once you tap on settings, then you will be taken to this page, and from this page at the upper right side you will get a search icon, so tap on here and then search name, then tap on name, and after that at the top here you have to type your new name, and then you have to tap on review change. Then Facebook will ask you for your password, then enter your Facebook password, then your Facebook page name will be changed. So following this simple process, you can also change your Facebook page name very easily. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.